Hello, this video will be a demonstration showing you how to register for a camp using the GVSU camp system. First, you will want to visit the GVSU camp system website at gvsu.edu/camps. Once you arrive at this page, you will see that a list of camps will appear in this section of the web page. You can also do a search for a particular camp by typing in your search criteria into this box. You will also see drop-downs that will allow you to filter by date, or if you're looking for a particular category of camp, or if you're looking for a particular grade for the camp. Once you've entered in all of the criteria or any of the criteria here, simply click on the search button and those particular camps will appear. You can view more information about the camp by clicking on the hyperlink or clicking on the view button over here on the right hand side. Once you click on that link, it will take you to another page which will then provide you more information about the particular camp. In order to register your child for a camp, you will first have to make sure that you have a login. To do so, you can go to register for an event or click on the login button that you see here. Once you click on that button, you will be brought to a page which will ask you to log in. If you've registered in the past, you can simply type in your email address and your password and click on submit. If you've never registered before, you will want to click on the hyperlink that you see here that says create an account. Once on this page, you will want to fill out all the necessary information, including first name, last name, email address, and password. Once you've filled all of this information out, click on the submit button. You will be then taken to a page where you need to fill out additional information about your account, including phone number and address. You will see now on my screen that I am now filling out this information. And then down here, it's a confirmation of the account. So there's my email address and my password. Once I'm all set, I'm going to click on submit. You will now see that I'm taken to a page that shows that my profile has been updated successfully, and it will show any registrations that I have. Now that we've created our account, let's go back to the camp's website. And now let's register for a camp. So I'm going to pick this top camp as an example and click on the register button. You'll see at the top that we have the information that has been already provided by us when we created our account. Now we need to fill in our emergency contacts and also add in the children. Now that we've added in our emergency contact, I'm going to click on the button that says add child to add the children registration to this particular camp. You will see that we have a lot of questions in here, so I'm going to quickly go through and add in all of the answers. Now that I have all the information filled out, I'm going to click on the continue button. You will be then brought to a page that has release forms. You will want to make sure to read all of the release forms that are there and then sign once you are able to. Now that I am done, I'm going to click on the continue button. And now we are done. If the camp you registered for costs money, you may instead see a payment screen. You will see that we received a receipt that shows all of the information about the camp and the child that we've signed up. If you wish to view all of the camps that you are currently registered for, you can click on this button that says My Registrations, and it will show you the camp that you are currently signed up for.